All right, welcome back everybody. Martin and Belverado Spa. So this is our 3-month update on the Ryan West Industries ceramic coating. Again, the Ryan West Industries ceramic coating, they do sell, and it is actually pretty affordable. They usually have a discount on it on their site, but they do white label a lot as well. So if you have your own detailing company and you want this coating with your own brand on it, you can contact them. Anyways, on the left side of the hood, or the left hand side of the hood here, we have the 9H coating. On the right side we have the 7H, and in the middle is the 9H, one layer with the 7H layered on top of that. So this is just to see how it's been doing after 3 months. As you can see, no signs of degradation. Now I do, when I wash this car, I do regularly top it. However, this time I washed it with just CarPro Reset and no topper. If you're familiar with CarPro Reset, that'll weaken just about any topper. But this is just the pure coating behavior. As you can see, there's no significant difference between any of them. I mean, there's minimal difference. It's hard to even tell. So both coatings are very good. And then, you know, if you want to layer the two, so you have best longevity with slickness, you can do that, or you can layer them on their own. So definitely check it out, guys. I'll put a link in the description here, and stay tuned. I'm gonna be updating this every month for a while. But you can see there's no signs of degradation here. This is definitely a solid performing coating. And it's not expensive. I think their MSRP on it's like $100 for one, $90 for the other. Right now they've got a discount on it. Throw their 23% off on their website on top of that, plus free shipping. You can get a coating for like $60, and that includes the 50 milliliter bottle, 2 towels, and a 16-ounce bottle of prep spray. That's one of the best deals I've seen on coatings. So definitely check them out, and stay tuned next month for the next update.